Today we're going to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Now most people think it's impossible, but it's actually quite easy if you know the way. So here we go. First, let's just mess it up here a bit. I got a cheap Rubik's Cube, shut up. Okay, now that it's all mixed up, what you want to do is, I'm going to turn it so it's like this. And then, there you go. And you keep doing this. So you have all these corners off. Then you do it to the other side. Then you're going to square that back up there and take these ones off. And I'm losing pieces of my Rubik's Cube. Now it's very important that you do not lose these pieces. When you get done, it should look like this. And then you just place them back together where the colors go. And that's how to solve a Rubik's Cube.